Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn about how to write a CV. The aim of this lesson is to write a personal CV for a recent graduate. First, let's start with what's a CV? A CV or a curriculum vitae is a document that shows your education, skills, and work experience. Employers usually read your CV to see if you are a good fit for the job or not. And remember, a clear and well-organized CV makes a good first impression. So, what to include in a CV? Your CV should have these main sections. First, your contact information. Here you can write your full name, your phone number, and email address. And then we have professional summary or objective. This is like a short paragraph about your skills and career goals. And then we have education. Here you can include the name of your university, your degree, and the year you finished or expect to finish. And then we have work experience. Here you can list your previous job starting with the most recent one, write your job title, company name, dates, and also you can add a short description of what you did. And then finally we have skills. Here you can write about the skills that are useful for the job you are applying for, like computer skills or teamwork. You can also add extra sections such as courses, like special classes or training that you completed. Also, you can add languages, what other languages you can speak or write. Also, you can add volunteer experience, which is work you did without pay just to help others. And also, you can add relevant coursework. These are important subjects that you studied that are related to this job. And for formatting, use clear headings so it is easy to read, and use bullet points to list information. Keep it simple and professional, and do not use too many colors or pictures. And finally, check for the mistakes before sending your CV. Now let's see how to write CV sentences. First, write short and clear sentences and start each sentence with an action verb. For example, instead of saying I managed a team of 5, you can say managed a team of 5. This will make your CV stronger and more professional. Which tense to use? For past jobs or education, use the past tense. For example, worked as sales assistant. And for your current job, you can use the present tense. For example, manage customer orders. This is a good example of a CV. So as you can see here, we started with the name, and then after that we have the contact information, and then we have the objective and education, including the graduation date. And then after this we have courses and languages and experience, including the job description. And then finally we have skills. Now it's your time to practice. Fill in this CV form with your own details. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening.